Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by locating where to vent your RC crawler tires, because venting at the bead or sidewall controls air escape. Use a 1.5 2mm bit in a slow drill speed to avoid melting rubber. Once done, clear rubber shavings with compressed air. This prevents clogging. Make sure to hold the tire steady and support the rim, since wobble creates uneven holes. The reason? Proper venting balances internal pressure and improves tire conformity to rough terrain, enhancing grip and steering feedback. Now you cut and refine the vent openings to precise size, because too large and you lose support, too small and vents clog. Drill perpendicular at controlled speed, then open to a 0.5 1mm aperture with a pick or low-speed rotary tool. Once done, smooth edges with a fine file to prevent rubber tearing during use. Make sure to test fit the tire on the rim. Proper bead seating ensures consistent airflow and prevents migration of the vent under load while driving. Finish by reseating the tire and flexing it while mounted, because this exposes hidden leaks and seating issues. Once done, apply a thin bead sealer or light silicone around the rim flange if minor leaks remain. Make sure not to clog vents. After assembly, test drive at low speed to verify consistent pressure, behavior, and handling. If you see uneven air loss, stop and recheck vent alignment and sealing. Most problems come from an off-center hole or trapped debris, which you can clear and reseat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.